Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change name in Lazada account using your mobile phones. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. All you have to do is go to Lazada application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in Lazada homepage, okay, go to account on the lower right side on your screen. And after that guys, okay, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, here, okay, click account information. And account information, okay, you can see the full name, okay. You'll have to do to change your name in Lazada account, okay, you'll have to do is select your full name, and now you can change the full name of your Lazada account or name. Okay guys, after you change the full name or name in your Lazada account, you'll have to do is click save button. Okay guys, we have successfully changed the name in your Lazada account. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, thank you for watching.